Look here, these are images coming in from Delray Beach. The outer bands of Hurricane Ian already having an impact locally.
Bringing in our team of WPTV First Alert meteorologist Katia Hall. You are tracking the hurricane's path, and it looks like you're looking at rainfall right now.
24 hours, we've seen a significant amount of rainfall. Radar indicating close to 2 to 5 inches of rain has fallen over the last day here, and more's coming down. We're not done yet. We have heavy rainfall continuing to move, especially up towards North Palm Beach County, Martin County this morning, and we're not done. More rain will continue to feed in throughout the next 24 hours here. So continuing to monitor Hurricane Ian, a Category 4 storm, major hurricane. The track has the system moving towards Fort Myers sometime this afternoon and then approaching the Orlando area overnight tonight as a tropical storm, and then finally moving it out away from the state into the weekend. Actually, Friday into the weekend, for us here locally, we're looking at drier conditions. We just got to get through the day with those windy conditions and these rain bands pushing through. First Alert Viper radar showing some more showers and storms starting to fire up here along the turnpike in Palm Beach County. The worst of the rainfall this morning towards Jupiter into Palm Beach Gardens, Hope Sound, also dealing with those significant downpours across your area and then up through the Treasure Coast. A little activity here and there, but most of the shower and storm activity at this time across Martin County and northern Palm Beach County. Take a look at these winds. They're starting to pick up out there. We said it was going to be pretty windy out there today. At times, we could see tropical storm force winds or even hurricane force speed winds up towards Okeechobee, where we have that hurricane warning in place. Throughout the day, tornado watch up. This runs all the way until 5 o'clock this evening. And of course, we still have the tropical storm warnings in place and hurricane warnings issued as well. So rain will continue to come down throughout the next couple of days or so. Today, some of those feeder bands pushing through could result in some flooding. So we're under a threat for seeing flash flooding across the area. It's a moderate threat today. That's a 3 out of 4 on the scale here. Then tomorrow, still under that threat, but it does go down a little bit for most of the viewing area. Still a moderate threat up towards northern Indian River County and northern Okeechobee counties. Severe weather threat, well, today it's a 2 out of 5. We've already seen tornadoes out there, or at least possible tornadoes. We've already had those tornado reports and tornado warnings. So the atmosphere is conducive for more tornadoes throughout the day. And then tomorrow, it looks like we do start to dry out pretty early here. Still some showers and storms up towards the Treasure Coast, especially for the first part of the day. And with those cells, we could also see some more isolated tornadoes, but the threat does go significantly down for Palm Beach County. So for today, Steve, this is a day where you're going to want to have your phone handy. Download the WPTV app, because this is a day where we could get more tornado warnings issued across the area.
Absolutely. Right now, we are in the quadrant of that hurricane, the northeast quadrant, and that's where you tend to get the tornadoes that spin on up. Once the center of the storm is north of our viewing area, the threat of severe weather for us drops dramatically. All right, so here are the wind fields with this hurricane, with Hurricane Ian. As we head towards lunchtime, we are going to start to see the winds increase as the storm gets closer to southwest Florida. So this is around noon, and at that point in time, we are in the tropical storm force wind field. That's why along the coast, we do have that tropical storm warning in effect, because at least we will see tropical storm force winds of over 40 miles an hour. But you can see the really strong winds will be in between Fort Myers and Tampa. That's where we will have hurricane force winds right there in the red. Hurricane force winds or winds in excess of 74 miles an hour. Now, as we head towards tonight, that's where the winds will be the strongest, especially into Okeechobee County and into parts of the Treasure Coast. As we head into tonight at 11:30, Okeechobee County wind gusts of over 58 miles an hour. So it's going to be quite windy into Okeechobee County and into the Treasure Coast and into the Palm Beaches. At that point in time, winds at about 20 to 30 miles an hour. And then as we head into tomorrow, all of this starts to lift to the north, and our winds will diminish as the day goes on from south to north. So this storm is coming in a little bit faster. So by the time we get to tomorrow, it is racing away from us. All right, so here's the deal. Let's break it down county by county. Into Palm Beach County, roughly 3 to 6 inches of rainfall, winds 35 to 45 miles an hour. Into Martin County, winds 40 to maybe 50 miles an hour. As we head into St. Lucie County, 45 to 55 mile an hour winds. Indian River County up to 60 mile an hour winds, especially tonight as that system is working its way across parts of northern Okeechobee County. But northern Okeechobee County into Okeechobee County, since you are going to be closer to the center of the storm, you will have the strongest winds, anywhere from 55 to potentially up to 75 mile an hour wind gusts as we head into later today and especially into tonight.